morning, friends. Today is Thursday, July 2nd. This is our last day this week. It's our fourth lesson of week 2. Congratulations, you made it another week. And our what, why, and how is pretty similar. Math to prepare for middle school. You should be able today to look back on this week and identify your specific focus. So what you were focused on in iReady, as well as identify the skill that we focused on and looked more closely at together as a class. So this week in review, we have really been working on being in the same space with technology. So making sure that everybody is able to log into iReady. Everybody is able to access their Gmail. Everybody is able to access Zoom. Making sure that we are also starting to be in the same place, thinking about what time our class starts and being in class and being present and feeling comfortable sharing with your classmates. The other place where we've been trying to be in the same place is academically. So making sure that everybody is completing that iReady diagnostic and making sure that everyone has really been working towards that growth to be ready for 6th grade math in the fall. Help! Miss Kealty, or Miss Erin, if you know me as Miss Erin from Frank Alice. I am confused about 1, tutoring. 2, why are you emailing home? These are examples of questions that I have received via email, so I am going to talk through them a little bit today. So the first one, in tutoring. If you are in tutoring, first thing you need to know is not everyone is in tutoring. So if you have not heard from a tutor and if you do not know anything about tutoring, this does not apply to you. If you are in tutoring, your tutoring should not happen during my class, during your ELA class, or during your middle school 101 class. Tutoring must happen outside of those classes. The other big thing is open communication with tutoring. If you are in tutoring, I am speaking with your tutors to make sure that they know what you should be working on. They should be in contact with you and your families to make sure that your families understand what you're working on and when you're working on those things. If you feel like you should be hearing from another adult and you are not, you need to email me. For example, if you are working with someone who is bilingual, who is supposed to be translating for your families, if you are working with someone for special education services, anything like that, and you have not heard from them in summer school, you should email me so that I can help you get in contact with the right person. Emails home. I am not emailing home to say that you're in trouble. I am not emailing home to tell your folks that you are really behind in math. I am not emailing home to say so-and-so goofed off today in our Zoom call. I am emailing home once a week to make sure that your families know where you are academically and so that they can see your growth across the summer in math. So I'm not emailing home because you're in trouble. I'm emailing home to share with your folks how well you're doing. So goals for today. I want you to find a good place to end before the 4th of July weekend. If you need to finish your iReady diagnostic, that should be your number one goal. If you have a lesson that you're working on, whether that is my pathway or a teacher assigned lesson, your goal before the long weekend is to make sure that you complete and pass that lesson. Okay, so that is our goal for today. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or issues, and I will talk to you all on Monday.